Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you?
Great, Chris. How you doing?
Oh, great. Excellent. Great to see you.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Good to see you too, man. Well, you know, I'm here for a cocktail.
Yeah? Okay.
Yep.
I have a couple.
Thinking gin.
Gin,
something different. Something I've never had before.
Okay.
You know, you got anything different?
I do. I just learned about this great cocktail, cursed in the Comstock Saloon in San Francisco, called the Gill Sans.
Gill Sans? Is he related to Horatio Sands?
I'm not sure.
I love Horatio Sands.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hilarious.
Hilarious. Yeah, very funny. Very funny guy. I don't think so. Could be, for all I know. But this cocktail, the Gill Sans, has the gin you requested. It's different because it has the absinthe.
Oh.
It has the absinthe. It's a rinse. You won't consume it, don't worry. Sherry, the dry sherry. Maraschino Liqueur, and orange bitters.
Well, that is different.
It's is it
all
Gill
right,
Sans
let's try the
something?
Horatio Sands.
Let's try the Gill Sans.
Oh, okay, Gill Sans.
The Gill Sans, yeah. All right, so the first step, we're gonna do the absinthe. We're gonna dump a little bit in a cocktail coupe. We're looking for a rinse. So a rinse means we're gonna coat the outside of the glass. We're just gonna rub and swirl so the glass is rinsed, and then we're gonna dump it out. So the aroma of the anise, the wormwood, the fennel will get to your nose. Okay, now the gin you like here, we're gonna use Broker's gin. We're gonna use 2 ounces of gin. We're gonna pour 2 ounces in a mixing glass there. It is a stirred cocktail. Next, we're gonna do a sherry. We're gonna do a Fino dry sherry. We're gonna do a 1/4 ounce. Then we're gonna do a Maraschino Liqueur, also a 1/4 ounce. And then final ingredient, we're gonna do orange bitters. We're gonna Regan's 2 dashes.
You know, I can smell that absinthe from here.
It's even the rinse.
It's pungent.
It is pungent. Stirred cocktail, we're gonna add ice to this. And give it a good stir. For about 30, 40 seconds, you'll see frost on the mixing glass here.
Did you ever see that movie Boat Trip?
Have not.
Horatio Sands?
No, I didn't see it.
And Cuba Gooding Jr.
Oh, great. 2 great actors. Any good?
No, not really.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Not the best movie, but you know, there's a few laughs in there.
Okay. Might catch it one night on late night television.
Yeah, maybe.
And fall asleep to it. I'll look for it. All right, I see a little frost in the glass. I think we should be done here. Now we're gonna take a Hawthorne Strainer. And we're gonna strain this cocktail into that Absinthe Rinsed Coupe Glass here.
It's kind of hard to say, isn't it? Absinthe
rinse. Yeah. So that
Absinthe Rinsed
10 times
Coupe
fast.
Glass.
Yeah. And for your garnish, we're gonna do a lemon swath. Oh.
Got away from you, didn't he?
Oh yeah, it's a hot one. We're gonna rub for the oils. Place it on top. Get a good nose. And then there you go. That's a Gill Sans for you.
Gill Sans.
Give it a shot. See what you think. It's your unique gin cocktail. Hope you like it.
Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
You're welcome. Cheers. What do you think?
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Is it Horatio approved?
I think Horatio would drink a few of those. Very easy drinking. You get a lot of gin.
Okay.
You know, little dryness. I guess it's very dry. It's a dry cocktail.
It is dry. All dry ingredients.
Sherry and the maraschino.
Correct.
You know.
Correct.
You know, and you're getting the absinthe in the nose. I like it.
Excellent.
Great cocktail.
Excellent. Glad you enjoy it. If you did, please like this cocktail, subscribe to our channel for many more cocktails, and I'm on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
Great.
Thanks. Great to see you.
Great to see you too, Chris.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.